Hey guys, today I will talk about, or actually, yeah, we'll take a look on all markets. But don't forget, guys, that today the Jackson Hole Symposium could have a major impact on all markets. Okay, on US dollar, on the Japanese yen, silver, gold, US oil, euro, yeah, US equities, cryptocurrencies. That's why it's very, very important. So let's. First of all, please read the disclaimer. It's important to understand the risks, and then, yeah, we'll take a look on all markets because today I've talked about the U.S. dollar, and I've talked about the U.S. dollar, and yeah, as you can see here, temporary retreats, but personally. I'll wait to see how it will react, maybe also here around this gap, because yeah, closing this gap could signal a potential deeper drop. And yeah, I've said earlier today that maybe I will look for intraday USD shorts, but Ratnan, looks like oil can reach to new highs. Yeah, personally, I was looking at the potential setup on US oil, on crude oil, and yeah, I will share my setup into the VIP group, and I will talk about US oil here. Yeah, right now, yeah, maybe we've had an opportunity, or if the DXY will come back to retest here before dropping down, dropping to this demand zone, maybe we can yeah, we can look for US dollar shorts in the short term, as intraday trades, as scalping positions. But right now I don't want to sell at market. Yeah, if you're a VIP member, guys, US dollar, Singapore dollar, yeah. Yesterday decided to manage my position only because when the price was here, when my trade was in profit, after reaching the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, I've moved the stop loss at break even, and unfortunately, yeah, this sell-off closed my trade at break even before jumping higher. Yeah, it would have been still good. Maybe some of you guys are still in, are still long, or catch this upwards movement, or close it here or something like this. But yeah, this was my setup. Yeah, unfortunately the price reached my stop loss at break even. It has closed it here, but I'm looking for something else, for new trades. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, if you're a VIP member. Yeah, I'm still keeping this pending order. Yeah, maybe it remains to see, but I will come back with new updates about this pending order. It's far from being confirmed, but yeah, we'll talk about it. So yeah, strong sell off right now on the DXY. Right now, the Euro USD rallied. Personally, I would have liked here to see, after this breakout here, to see a retreat, the price to come back down, and then maybe I would have I would have placed it a pending order, or buy limit maybe, or buy at market or something like this. A strong and amazing rally, only because the DXY crashed. British pound, US dollar. Don't forget, guys, to like this video, and don't forget to ask questions if you have questions, guys. If you have questions, but please tell me what you are looking at, your levels, your time frame, if you are a bull or bear, if you want to buy, if you want to sell. Yeah, yesterday, after this retest here, we've missed maybe an opportunity to go short here. But we had this amazing sell-off here. We've had this sell-off actually, yeah, yesterday, only because yeah, a rebound here after the economic data on Wednesday, after the flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI. But you can see here that mixed data, flash services PMI still in the expansion territory, new home sales better than expected, so only a temporary rebound before a new sell-off. Right now, yeah, no, I don't think that I want to sell the US dollar. Actually, I will look only maybe for US dollar longs after this rebound and after this sell off on the DXY ends. Okay, because the bias is still bullish, and yeah, maybe this could be only a temporary retreat, temporary drop, and it remains to see, guys, because if yeah, revised University of Michigan consumer sentiment later today, and also if Jerome Powell maybe maybe if the Fed chair will announce maybe potential new hikes in the next monetary policy meetings, then maybe the US dollar could take the lead again. Yeah, could appreciate versus the rivals. And but don't forget that most likely we'll have sharp movements in both directions around Powell's remarks or speech. Later tonight, the ECB President Lagarde speaks also around this high impact event. So yeah, you have to be careful, guys. And yeah, maybe I would like the DXY to come back to retest the R1 or the demand zone, and then I will look for US dollar longs only. Okay, US because the bias is bullish, and that's why maybe I would like to catch a potential new US dollar long. Yen basket, and then I will take a look on gold, silver, US oil, US equities, cryptocurrencies. Yeah, it has failed to take out the immediate highs or the to invalidate the immediate supply zones. A new lower low retest maybe could see a deeper drop, but staying above the pivot point test retest could announce a potential new rebound or bullish movement. Right now, I don't have something really good on the Japanese yen. Let's invite more members. I don't have something really good, but yeah, I'm still keeping that pending order. On the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. Okay. Alberto, English, please. Okay, Jorge da Silva, hi, how are you? So no, I don't have anything really good right now. Yeah, if it will make a new lower low here, then probably I will delete that pending order, and I will look for maybe for Japanese yen short. Okay, US oil. Let's take a look, because I've said that I will take a look on US oil. Yeah, maybe we've had an opportunity, but personally, maybe after this breakout, I would like to see a retest, and please take a look here, guys. So we had a corrective phase here on US oil, on crude oil. Okay, the downtrend line has resistance. You can see that the price reached the resistance reached. That's why it's very important. Personally, I really love to use more than one tool or technique or strategy or approach or method to analyze the markets, only because You can see that the downtrend here. You can see the medium line of the ascending pitchfork, a supply zone here. So right now we are in a supply zone. We have also resistance levels, and after this amazing rally, we cannot exclude a temporary retreat. Okay, but after these false breakdowns with great separation below the 38.2 retracement level here on the US oil, on the crude oil. Yeah, I'm looking for longs. I'm looking for buying opportunities, and personally, I would like to see something like this. Okay, a retreat, maybe to test retest here, or to accumulate, to consolidate here, to test retest. Maybe I will catch something here, or after taking out the downtrend line, after taking out the medium line, and after invalidating the supply zone. Okay, so I will keep an eye on the US oil, on the crude oil, and I will come back with my high probability setup and trade, because I really this is how I trade. When I'll have a high probability setup, a high probability trade with a really good risk to reward ratio. Okay, and right now, after reaching, I don't want to buy it at market here at resistance, because it could retreat a little, and it remains to see if it will stay above for this demand zone, order block. Yeah, maybe also. Yeah, it remains to see if it will retreat to reach this zone, and yeah, if it comes back down, or yeah, it remains to see. Maybe I will place also a buy limit. Yeah, but right now I'll have to wait. Don't forget that the fundamentals will shake the markets, will move the markets. Anything could happen. Okay, anything could happen today, later today. That's why it's important maybe to stay away around Powell's remarks or speech, or Lagarde's speech. Yeah, it's very important. Okay, anything could happen, guys, later today. So this is my opinion about the US oil. Let's take a look. Gold and silver. I talked about silver earlier today. Yeah, I talked about silver. So probably I will talk only about gold, because you can visit our you can find that video, that silver video analysis in the VIP group, in the free group, and also you can visit our YouTube channel, and you can watch this video in our YouTube channel as well. So gold. Yeah, here in the short term, I've talked about further growth. Okay, further growth here. Right now, a retreat, which was natural after this amazing rally. And right now, it as I said, retested the lower medium line, and if the DXY extends its sell-off, if it drops deeper, then gold could try to jump higher. Maybe this represents an accumulation consolidation after this amazing rally. It has escaped from this falling wedge pattern, breakout here, a new higher high, temporary retreat, and yeah, the upside pressure remains high. The price of gold yeah, remains maybe or maintains a bullish bias in the short term. Okay, but I need a high probability setup. Okay, I need a high probability setup. Let's take a look. Because 1, 2, 3 here, 1, 2, 3 here, breakout also above the warning line, a new higher high here, guys. I believe that's a new higher high, jumping, closing, and stabilizing above 1918. could open the door for a potential rally towards at least towards this resistance. But if I will place a buy stop here, where should I hide my stop loss? Because I don't want to hide it only here, and if I will hide it here, I don't have a really good setup. I don't have a really good risk to reward ratio. Maybe my risk it would be higher than the reward, so no. Okay, I'll wait a little to see how the markets will react. Silver, yeah, I talked about silver. I talked about this pattern, potential flag, upside continuation formation. Yeah, please visit our YouTube channel, or you can find the video in our free group, VIP group. Yeah. Okay. Bitcoin. Guys, don't you have questions? About Bitcoin, false breakdown, great separation below 25,601 rally, and right now maybe this could be, or maybe this could represent only a retest before coming back higher, or before developing a strong growth. Don't forget that the Jackson Hole Symposium. What about US 500? Don't forget that the Jackson Hole Symposium will have a big impact on Bitcoin as well. But after what happened here, New Zealand dollar, US dollar continue downtrend. Okay, so this flag here on Bitcoin could represent a bullish pattern. Okay, maybe I'm looking for longs as well on Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm looking for longs on Bitcoin as well, because after this massive drop, maybe a rebound is natural. But don't forget that as long as it stays below the medium run of the descending pitchfork and making a new lower low, invalidating the demand zones, should open the door for a larger downside movement. So right now, I would like the price to escape from this flag pattern to come back above the medium line, and then boom. Okay. Okay. Ethereum sideways movement. Sideways movement, guys, here. Or one moment, because I've deleted trading view. I have trading view here. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so let's take a look. US30. Yeah, maybe temporary rebound on the US equities because the DXY crashed, but maybe a rebound on the US30, US100 could bring us potential new shorts. What? US100. US100. Maybe I'll have something like a long opportunity on on US 100, guys, on Nasdaq. Because after this massive sell-off, it has reached this this zone here as a demand zone. Right now, breakout above the immediate high. It could try to retest maybe here before boom. Yeah. But don't forget, guys, that that the price could be different when trading CFDs. Let's take a look also on. Let's take a look also on US 500. And guys, if the DXY drops deeper than yeah, maybe we've had an opportunity also here, but we've missed an opportunity to go short. Yeah, you cannot catch every trade, and yeah, it was maybe it has reached this zone in the Asian session. Personally, I'm out in the Asian session. US 500. Yeah, maybe US oil and US oil and US 100 as potential setups and trades for me today for the VIP group. US 500. Yeah, someone asked me about US 500, but I don't know your time frame, your levels. Yeah, and yeah. Maybe US 100, guys. Maybe US 100. I'll wait to see how to react here, and I will share my trade into the VIP group. And if you are not a VIP member, you can join the VIP group, and you can get my all my work. 15 minutes looks for upside. Yeah, but I need confirmation. Maybe I would like the price to come back to hit this zone before jumping higher. Okay. Yeah, it seems over maybe here. Let's take a look. Maybe a bullish divergence here. And yeah, I'm looking for longs here on US 100. But maybe I would like to see a retreat, and then I will decide if I will go long at market or if I will place a pending order. Okay. If above 14,790, yeah, this is my opinion about US 100, guys, and this could be my next trade for the VIP group. For the VIP group. Okay. Also here, maybe if it will come back to retest this maybe imbalance. DXY, if it tries to close this gap up, and I've said earlier today that temporary rebound only to retest here. could bring us potential USD shorts in the short term, and going down could bring us potential US dollar longs. Okay. US oil. Yeah, it's still bullish. It remains to see. Maybe the price will fail to come back down to retest the demand zones, the support levels, and I see that a valid breakout here, invalidating this this supply, taking out the downtrend line and the medium line, should signal further growth. Unfortunately, yeah, probably I've missed something here after this false breakdown with great separation. Yeah, in the early morning I was out, but yeah, I'm looking for something else. Maybe I will still catch an upside continuation on US oil, okay, because it has reached 38.2 retracement level, only false breakdowns. So yeah, I'm looking for longs. But don't forget that the fundamentals could have a big impact also on upon the US oil. Yen basket again. Yeah, it's still under pressure. It's under pressure. I've talked about US30, bro. And personally, I've said that if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me your levels, your time frame. Yeah. My previous trade and setup here on Euro Japanese yen. Personally, I've managed my position here around 158.52 or something like that. After this massive sell-off, I wanted to take profit, and I've closed it because I believe that I've had or my position size was only 0.01, and I've had to close the entire position. But please take a look here, okay? Downside continuation, temporary rebound, and unfortunately here, guys, I've decided not to place a new trade here on Euro Japanese yen. I've had the setup on Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and my trade closed at that. Yeah, this was my this was my setup for the VIP group, but unfortunately, yeah, I've had to go out, and I was out during the Asian session, and I've had to actually I've secured my position. I've moved my stop loss at break even, and yeah, unfortunately my position closed at break even here, but it would have been really great. It would have I don't know, reached it. No, not actually. It was almost to hit my take profit here as well. So unfortunately, but yeah, maybe Euro Japanese yen setup, it would have been better here after this rebound here. Okay, I've managed my position here, but also here my stop loss was at break even. But personally, I wanted to take some profit, because it's important also to take profit. But yeah, sometimes personally, yeah, maybe keeping my trade, my trades, I'm letting my trade ride, like my USD Singapore dollar. This one reached the stop loss at break even. Okay, I talked about this position yesterday. Break even, it would have been still good. Euro Japanese yen, it would have been yeah, perfect. Okay, because my stop loss was at break even, and the price failed to reach break even, and it would have reached my my take profit. Yeah, personally, I'm looking for something else. Okay, Alberto, I believe that you can find a coupon into the VIP group sorry, into the free group. Yeah, I believe that you have a discount code into the free group if you want to join the VIP channel. So yeah, maybe the management it was not perfect, wasn't perfect, but yeah, this is trading. No one knows what will really happen. Personally, I've decided to take profit here, but yeah, the fundamentals yeah, moved the price down here, and yeah, unfortunately Swiss franc, Japanese yen, it would have been really great as well. Yeah, the price failed to come back towards my stop loss, but my stop loss was at break even here, and yeah, it would have been really great. Right now I'm keeping my trade in Canadian dollar, my pending order in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, and I'm looking for something else on US 100. As I've said, new high probability trades maybe by management will be better, but yeah, at least I'm not losing money. Okay, maybe when I'll decide to manage my position, it's because I will be out. I cannot monitor my trades, and I want to secure my trades. Okay, to move the stop loss at break even and to let it ride, and okay, if it reaches take profit, it's fine. If it reaches stop loss at break even, it's fine as well. I'm not losing money, but yeah, I'm taking profits as well from time to time. Maybe, yeah, because I want to cover small losses on other markets or something like this. Yeah, yeah. Thank you guys for understanding. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Okay. US oil. US oil, US oil. Yeah, maybe we'll have that that rally rebound here on the DXY, guys, after reaching yeah, but it has closed it. It has closed the gap. But on higher time frames, maybe we'll have only false breakdown below 103.99. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, so amazing setups and trades on euro, Japanese yen. Even if maybe the management wasn't perfect, this is trading, guys. Yeah, this is because also here after this strong sell-off, personally I've expected after reaching here some demand zone, I've expected a rebound, larger rebound. That's why I've decided to close my position and to look for new and yeah, here, guys, this was this would have been better compared to the Swiss franc, Japanese yen. Probably a flag pattern maybe here in the short term with a sell stop below the former low, or here it would have been perfect here, but I've decided to not to place not to send the new euro Japanese yen, and I've wanted to send something on Swiss franc, Japanese yen, and that trade closed at break even. Yeah, this is trading, guys. Yeah, good decisions, bad decisions, but what is important, guys, it's important that personally I'm looking for, or personally I have high probability setups and trades all the time. Okay, high probability trades with a good risk to reward ratio, and I will show you something. Yeah, yesterday I was looking at US dollar, Japanese yen at something like this. It would have reached take profit as well. Okay, right now you will say why are you showing this right now? Only because I'm showing you that I have high probability setups and trades. and maybe next time the management will be better and really great. Yesterday I was looking at a potential long here, US dollar Japanese yen. Okay, after reaching my lower medium line here, test, retest, false breakdown. Okay, and after this rally and retest, I was looking at potential longs, but the price already jumped above my entry before sending the trade or before placing the trade, and maybe I've wanted the price to come back to test, retest before jumping higher. It would have been really good, really great. And yesterday, because I didn't send this one, I've sent US dollar Singapore dollar for the VIP, as I've said, with an entry here. And yeah, after this retreat, my position closed at break even. But yeah, I still have high probability setups, high probability trades with a really great risk to reward ratio. And yeah, I'm looking for something else. I'm not mad, I'm not upset, because some of my positions closed at break even, because it's fine. I will have new high probability setups and trades soon. Maybe on US 100, maybe on US oil, maybe on US dollar, maybe on the Japanese yen. It's fine, okay? It's fine. At least I'm not losing money. I'm not and when I will have something really good, don't forget that yeah, I will catch something really great. Yeah. So it seems that you don't have more questions, guys. It seems that you don't have questions. I will end this webinar here, and I will come back with US 100 into the VIP group. If you are a free member, you can catch my trades, my high probability trades and setups. So you can join the VIP group. You can hit the link below this video. Thank you, guys. Don't forget that later, guys, the Jackson Hole Symposium, Powell's remarks and testifies, speech, Christine Lagarde remarks and speech could really shake the markets, guys. Thank you, guys, and have a great weekend. I will come back with new high probability trades into the VIP group. Bye bye.